Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Stripe and LemonSqueezy, two payment platforms. So Stripe is widely used payment processing solution offering flexible APIs for online transactions, subscription billing, and financial management, supporting businesses of all sizes. While LemonSqueezy is designed specifically for digital creators, providing an all-in-one platform to sell digital products, manage subscriptions, and handle taxes, with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I hope you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Stripe and Lemon Squeezy, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about payment methods, Stripe offers credit debit cards, ACH and Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, and WeChat Pay, while Lemon Squeezy integrates credit and debit cards payment method, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. For subscription management, Stripe had advanced subscription management with customizable options, while Lemon Squeezy they have a built-in subscription management for digital products. For tax handling, Stripe requires third-party integration, as we discussed in the previous videos, and Lemon Squeezy they have fully automated VAT, GST, and sales tax handling globally. And for invoicing, Stripe they have customizable invoices with payment links, while Lemon Squeezy they integrate invoicing with automated tax compliance. And for the currency support, so Stripe support over 135 currency globally, while Lemon Squeezy they supports multiple currencies but focus only on globally digital sales. So when we talk about the platform integration, so Stripe have extensive APIs and pre-built integration, while Lemon Squeezy simple API integration but more geared towards creators and digital businesses, which is good. And for the fraud prevention, Stripe they have advanced fraud detection with radar, and Lemon Squeezy they have basic fraud protection built in on the platform itself. And when it comes to reporting and analytics, Stripe they have detailed custom reports and real-time analytics, while Lemon Squeezy they have basic reporting and sales analytics. For more market focus, Stripe they have broad, including e-commerce, SaaS, and marketplace. So they are focused on that. While Lemon Squeezy, they are more focused on digital products and creators. And that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When it comes to transaction fees, Stripe offers or requires 2.9% plus $0.3 per successful transaction in the US only, while Lemon Squeezy, they have 5% plus 50 cents per transaction. When it comes to international fees, so Stripe they requires additional 1%, so same thing, but they requires additional 1% for international payment or cards, while Lemon Squeezy they don't add extra fees for international transaction. So same thing, 5%. When it comes to currency conversion fees, so Stripe, yes, they will add another 1% additional fee for currency conversion, while Lemon Squeezy, no currency conversion fees. And lastly, for subscription handling fees, so Stripe, they have no additional fees for subscription, while Lemon Squeezy, the subscription handling fees is already included in the transaction fees. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to global reach aspect, so Stripe, they have over 35 countries supported, while Lemon Squeezy, they are only focused on digital sales globally. When it comes to ease of integration, Stripe they are developer friendly and they have customizable API, while Lemon Squeezy they have easy setup with minimal technical requirements. And for the speed of payout, Stripe typically having payout integrals from 2 to 7 days, depending on the country, while Lemon Squeezy commonly 1 to 2 weeks for payouts. For tax compliance, so Stripe requires third-party integration for global tax handling, while LemonSqueezy, it is fully automated. They have fully automated global tax compliance. For subscription management, Stripe is very highly customizable, while LemonSqueezy, they are tailored only for digital creators with simple subscription features. So that's it for the performance comparison. Now let's go directly to customer and support. When it comes to availability, Stripe have 24/7 email, chat, and phone support, while Lemon Squeezy, they have only email support 24/7. When it comes to documentation, Stripe have extensive developer-focused documents, while Lemon Squeezy, they have simple creator-focused documentation. When it comes to onboarding assistance, so Stripe, they have limited onboarding assistance, while Lemon Squeezy, they have creator-focused onboarding assistance with simple setup. Lastly, for community support, Stripe is very large and they have active community. Lemon Squeezy is small, but they have growing community and it's focused on creators. So that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go to pros and cons. So let's talk about Stripe pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Stripe supports a wide variety of payment methods, making it suitable for businesses with global customer base. They have developer-friendly APIs, enable highly customized payment solution for businesses of all sizes and industries. They have advanced fraud detection and prevention tools like Radar that provides excellent security for businesses with high transaction volumes. And lastly, they have detailed real-time reporting and analytics that offers deep insights into transaction, activity, and business performance. And for the cons, Stripe have additional fees for international payments and currency conversion that can add up for businesses with global reach. And they requires third-party integration for global tax compliance, which can complicate setup for international businesses. And the platform itself can be complex to set up for smaller businesses without dedicated technical teams. And lastly, the dispute and chargeback fees can be costly, especially in industries prone to frequent chargebacks. So that's it for the Stripe pros and cons. So now let's go to Lemon Squeezy pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Lemon Squeezy is designed specifically for the creators and digital product sellers with built-in subscription and global tax handling, making it easy to use without additional tools. They have transparent pricing with no additional fees for international transaction or currency conversion, making it more cost-effective for global digital businesses. They are very simple to set up and use with a focus on user-friendly interface and minimal technical requirements. And lastly, they have automated invoicing, tax handling, and subscription management that makes it ideal for smaller creators or digital businesses without large development teams. For the cons, Lemon Squeezy have limited customization options compared to Stripe, particularly for businesses that requires complex payment workflows. Their transaction fees are higher than Stripe, so especially for smaller transaction, which may not be ideal for lower margin businesses. And the payout speed can be slower, especially for business that rely on quick access to funds. Lastly, they have fewer integration options and less advanced analytics, making it less suitable for large businesses that needs detailed reporting and customization. So that's it for the lemon squeezy pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. So now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Stripe. So Stripe is referable for someone who prefers a highly customizable and developer friendly platform that can integrate with various third-party tools and systems. Someone who runs a business that operates internationally and requires extensive payments method options for global customers. Someone who needs advanced fraud detection and security features to safeguard high volume or high value of transaction. Someone who wants detailed reporting and real-time analytics to track business performance and optimize payment processes. And that's it. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Stripe is choice for you. And for the people who should choose Lemon Squeezy is referable for someone who is a digital creators or runs a small business that sells digital products and needs an all-in-one solution for payment, subscription, and global tax compliance. Someone who prefers a simple setup with the minimal technical requirements, focusing on ease of use rather than extensive customization. Someone who operates a global digital business but wants to avoid extra fees for international transaction or currency conversion. And lastly, someone who needs a platform that automates invoicing, tax compliance, and subscription management without requiring third party tools or complex setup. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Lemon Squeezy is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, when comparing Stripe and Lemon Squeezy, both platforms have distinct strengths. Stripe is the go-to choice for businesses that need a highly customizable and flexible payment platform with global reach and advanced security features. On the other hand, Lemon Squeezy is perfect for creators and small digital product businesses, offering a streamlined all-in-one solution for payments, subscription, and global tax compliance. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific business needs, so you need to decide which platform aligns with your business goals, whether you choose Stripe for its versatility or Lemon Squeezy for its simplicity. Both platforms provide excellent solutions to help you grow your business. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.